Hi, welcome to math on what day is today? I'm losing my track of days. Wednesday the 15th. And so today I'm going to start right away with our application problem. So Nassim has 5 toy cars. So instead of drawing cars, I want to draw circles because it's way easier, right? So we're going to draw the 5 toy cars that Nassim has. Now I'm going to make sure that I did draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Nassim has 5 toy cars. How many toy cars does Nassim have? 5. Yes, he does. He has 5. Now Awate has 3 toy cars. So I'm going to draw that in a 5 group. So Nassim has 5 and Awate has 3. I'm going to use a tool that we used in one of our lessons the other day to make sure that I know that this is Nassim's. So I drew the line, and this is Awate. Okay, I'm going to leave that there so you can see it. How many cars did they have all together? So we have 5 and 3. What number does 5 and 3 make? 8. Let's make sure you're right. Let's count them all. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or we could use the 5-way shortcut. 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember that? Makes counting super easy. That's why we put things in 5 groups so we can count them super easy peasy lemon squeezy. So 5 and 3 make 8. Let's make a number bond about that. Rotate this a little. So what number goes in our hole? 8. And in our parts, how many toy cars did Nassim have? 5. And how many toy cars did Awate have? 3. 5 and 3 make 8. That's all I want you to do. But I know that some of you are going to go above and beyond and you're going to write your number sentence. That's fine too. So 5 and 3 make 8. Say that. 5 and 3 make 8. And that's it for today's application problem. Hi, so today our concept development is going to be on the number 8. So I have a 5 stick here. Let's make sure, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many cubes are in my 5 stick? 5. Now if I take these 3 cubes I have right here and add them to my 5 stick, how much does that make? 8. Very good. So today we're going to be talking about 8. I'm going to make my number bond, and that is what we will be working with today, our number bond. Okay. So we're going to snap this, and we're going to make different number bonds about 8. So if I snap it like that, what would our number bond be? What would our parts be? This side has 5. And what about this side? 3. So those are our parts. 5 and 3. And what would our whole be in this situation? 8, because when you put 5 and 3 together, it makes 8. I should have kept my number bond. Miss Laya, do not erase your number bond. Okay, Miss Laya, I will not erase my number bond. So if I play snap again, what are my parts this time? 4 on this side, and how many on this side? 4. So those are our parts, 4 and 4. And what do 4 and 4 make when you put them together? 8. So 4 and 4 make 8. Say that. 4 and 4 make 8. Very good. Ooh, I almost erased my number bond, but I remembered. Okay. What if I break my number bond? Like this. Look at the parts now. How many are on this side? 6. And how many are on this side? 2. So what are those? Our parts. And what is our whole? When we put those two numbers together, 6 and 2, what do they make? 8. Ooh, someone is whistling outside and they sound good at it. Wow. Okay, 6 and 2 make 8. Say that. 6 and 2 make 8. Very good. All right, what if I broke it a different way? How many are on this side? And how many are on this side? 1. So what number do 7 and 1 make when you put them together? 8. So our parts are 7 and 1, and our whole is 8. Our whole is 8. Very good. Do you see how we did all our number bonds for 8? Or am I missing one? What if I broke apart nothing? What would our number bond be? What are our parts? 8 and what's that number? Louder, say it louder. 0. So 8 and 0 make 8. Say that. 8 and 0 make 8. Great job. So now I am going to be writing some number sentences and you're going to read them to me. Are you ready? Read it. 8 plus 0 equals 8. Great. Seven plus 1 equals 8. Say it. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Two plus 6 equals 8. Three plus 5 equals 8. Four plus 4 equals 8. Wow, you guys are so fast at reading these. Try this one. Five plus 3 equals 8. Whoa. Six plus 2 equals 8. Great. Seven plus 1 equals 8. And 8 plus 0 equals 8. Great. Guess what? There's a code word today. Oh my gosh. Yes. Do you want to know the code word? Are you sure you want to know the code word? All right, I'll tell you the code word. It's rubber ducky. Random code word. Send it to me in a chat and you're going to get a prize. Can't wait to see if you're paying attention. Okay, so we are going to work on our problem set for today. So I have these squares here. These squares represent cubes. Draw a line to break the stick into two parts, just like we did in our concept development, and complete the number bond and number sentence. So if I wanted to break it, let's say right here, how many would I have on my left side? 1, 2. So I would write 2 in my first part on my number bond. Then I'm going to count the other part. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 on that side, on the right side. So I'm going to put 4 in my other part. So I know that 2 and 4 make 6. So I'm going to read my number sentence, and guess what? Because I have already learned in reading that this word is and the other word is and, I can read it by myself. 6 is 2 and 4. And that's how you complete it. You can do this same thing with all of the problems on this page, but make sure you pay attention to the stick and how many cubes, squares are in the stick so that you don't get it wrong. You need to pay attention. Not all of them are going to be 6. And last but not least, I do not want you guys to worry about this part down here. So if you're watching this, guess what? You don't have to do it because I don't need it. So hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow.